In the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, the Bayraktar Akinci UAV stands as a marvel of military technology. A product of Turkish ingenuity, this drone is not just a symbol of national pride, but a game-changer on the battlefield. With capabilities that rival some of the world's most advanced military drones, the Bayraktar Akinci UAV is a formidable force in the skies. The story of the Bayraktar Akinci UAV begins in the early years of the 21st century, in the labs of Baykar, a leading Turkish defense industry company. The vision was clear: to create an unmanned combat aerial vehicle that could not only conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions, but also carry out targeted strikes with pinpoint precision. After years of meticulous research and development, the first prototype of the Bayraktar Akinci UAV was unveiled in 2019. This twin-engine, medium-altitude, long-endurance drone was a testament to the technological prowess of Turkey. With a wingspan of 20 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 4.5 tons, the Akinci was designed to fly higher, faster, and longer than its predecessors. The Akinci UAV is equipped with cutting-edge features that set it apart in the world of military drones. Its state-of-the-art sensors and high-resolution cameras provide unparalleled surveillance capabilities. The drone's advanced radar systems enable it to detect and track targets with exceptional accuracy. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Akinci UAV is its armament capacity. Capable of carrying a wide range of ammunition, from laser-guided bombs to air-to-air missiles, the Akinci UAV is a true force multiplier on the battlefield. The Akinci UAV's first successful test flight took place in 2019, and it was officially introduced into the Turkish Armed Forces in 2021. Since then, the Akinci has proven its worth in numerous operations, demonstrating its exceptional endurance, accuracy, and striking power. But the story of the Bayraktar Akinci UAV doesn't end here. Baykar continues to innovate and improve upon the design of the Akinci, with plans to integrate artificial intelligence and autonomous capabilities in future models. This will allow the Akinci to conduct more complex missions, making it an even more formidable asset in future conflicts. In summary, the Bayraktar Akinci UAV is a testament to the progress made by Turkey in the field of military technology. It is a drone that has not only changed the face of warfare but also raised the bar for future unmanned combat aerial vehicles. With its advanced features, formidable armament capacity, and potential for further development, the Bayraktar Akinci UAV is set to dominate the skies for many years to come.